Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry building techniques and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
We'll now glue the remaining centering ring here on this sheet 32539. That's going to be glued on the front of this. So go ahead and remove that from the sheet. If you're working ahead, we do use this disc right here, so don't throw that out. If you're following sequentially, we've already used that disc. But, okay, so this ring will be glued right on the inside of this front of the tube like that. The reason we didn't put it on earlier was so that we could get inside there and cut those out, those little rectangles. The location of this ring is not so important, just kind of near the front of the tube so that it doesn't be squishy up there, because that's going to help guide it when we slide it into the rear of the rocket. If there's any glue on the outside, go ahead and wipe that off.